It is harvest o'clock. Come with us to our small garden. Today we are going to harvest radish. Monachim, we have a lot of strawberries coming out already. Can you see it?
Yes.
You have a lot of strawberry fruits.
Wow. Strawberry.
But today we are here to harvest the Reddik. Radish, Reddik in Norwegian, but radish in English. So, start with this one because it's popping out. Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that.
Mommy, can I also try?
Yes, and you know what? The leaves are edible. We will still use it to maybe make some salad, and you can saute the leaves to eat it like as you saute your spinach.
Is this radishes?
Is Reddik. Reddik, Bonosh, radish in English. Oh my God.
Radish!
It's looking so nice.
Mom, can I also do it? Okay, now let's do this one.
Yes. Pull it up. Wow!
Now it's my turn.
Yes, it's your turn. Let me see.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah. We are going to eat it today. After that, we wash it and we eat. You have to test it for the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, pull another one.
Mom, I see another one there.
You guys, we need to be fast though. The rain is coming.
Okay.
What?
My turn.
Yes, my love.
I take this one.
Good job.
It's mistake.
It's okay, my love.
Then I can put it here.
Yes, just put it.
Look at it.
We are going to harvest all of that because we still need it to be sweet and crunchy.
Look.
If we wait for it to bolt, then it will no longer be sweet and crunchy. Fast, the rain is coming.
Okay.
Good job, guys.
Oopsie. Oh, I got them. I got two.
It's okay.
That is too hard.
Okay, I can help you. Like this.
Look at this one.
Yes.
Look how many pieces we have. Look, Mommy.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah, but I'll take
Let me help you.
one. Here's another one.
Oh,
But I took three.
you took three? Okay, let's be fast, guys. Wow, what's that? Something is eating it from here. Insects, but it's okay.
Insect!
Can't pick another one, it's okay.
I'm watching.
Wow, it's big. Let me help you.
Look, Mommy, how big. I take two.
Yes, it's
Look
big.
at this one.
Yes, my love.
No, look at this one. Wow.
You got a lot of leaves. You use it to make vegetable soup. And some salad.
Yeah, Mommy, can I help you? Banana, Mommy.
Hmm?
It looks like a small banana.
Let me see. Yeah.
Mommy?
Yes, put it there. Let me help you. Sorry, there.
That's okay.
We are going to grow another one exactly the same place, okay? But let's take this one inside, wash it, and eat.
Yeah.
You will test it for the first time. Okay?
Yeah.
Here we carry this one.
Me. But that's not now.
Zinachin, wait, Mona is not yet done.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Now I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, my dear. These are the leaves after washing it. I will use some today and put inside the vegetable soup I'm making. Then I will freeze others to use later. I can even use it and saute and prepare my omelette. And here is the Reddik root. Bye.